This is really absurd. An astonishing leak has been released by the Shiba Inu developers. Next week, we are poised to achieve a significant breakthrough. This might potentially elevate Shiba Inu to 1 cent. All individuals are enthusiastic. The objective is approaching what is occurring. What makes this a unique, unparalleled experience? Allow me to explain. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more Shib news, be sure to click the like button. A significant development has lately occurred. This is not just another arbitrary update. This event profoundly unsettled the whole Shiba Inu community. The development team has recently revealed significant information about imminent updates. We are scheduled to converse next week, which is rather soon. It has the potential to alter everything. The next developments possess the capacity to invigorate the entire Shiba Inu ecosystem and may maybe eliminate several zeros from the price. This is the magnitude of the situation. However, the situation does not conclude there. Another significant event is now occurring. An element that might alter the overall outcome. Shiba Inu is increasingly approaching the potential to surpass a prominent entity in the cryptocurrency industry. The underdog is no longer only vocalizing from the periphery. It is charging at full capacity, focused on a higher position in the rankings. If you are inquiring if this news has already influenced the charts, it has to some extent. One expert provided a detailed analysis, and his conclusions are quite optimistic. He asserts that Shiba Inu is now exhibiting indications of a possible breakout, and he was unequivocal in his statement. He highlighted a particularly intriguing observation. A substantial contingent of traders has executed leveraged positions slightly above the current price of Shiba Inu. What is that level? It functions as a magnet for the cost. It is attracting Shiba Inu. If it approaches that point, we may see a significant increase only from liquidations. However, this is the most intriguing aspect. Cetaceans, the major stakeholders. They are actively participating rather than only observing. They have been fervently acquiring Shiba Inu in large quantities. Indeed, throughout the preceding month, these substantial holders raised their Shiba Inu reserves by approximately 30-fold. Whales do not engage in such behavior until anticipating a significant market shift. The excitement is genuine. The momentum is accumulating with the alignment of the developer announcement, increased whale activity, and mounting pressure on the graphs. Shiba Inu may be on the brink of a significant development. What just occurred? The Shiba Inu community has just seen another significant surge of enthusiasm. This statement originates from one of the most prominent figures in the environment. The X account linked with Shiba Inu, Shiba Zens, has recently sent a significant message to all owners and fans. In their most recent post, they elucidated their point clearly. The Shiba Inu cryptocurrency is not diminishing in presence. Indeed, they have fortified it more than ever and are prepared to exert even greater effort. They substantiated it by a significant action. They suggested that Shiba Inu may be preparing for a significant development. We are discussing a potential movement that might replicate its remarkable 800% surge in 2021. That is not only a conjecture, they indicate genuine prospects contingent upon the rapid development of the cryptocurrency sector. They assert that circumstances may change dramatically within a week. A single decisive action, a singular bullish momentum, and Shiba Inu may ascend once again. Contemplate it. Shiba Inu, once a meme currency, is now being seen as a formidable entity capable of disrupting the whole market once again. A spike approaching 800% would be transformative for many individuals. For several investors, the discussion extends beyond mere price surges. It encompasses the transcendence of financial barriers. This kind of momentum might alter whole portfolios. Individuals who have been steadfastly enduring the declines. This is just the moment they had anticipated. For novice investors, this may provide a singular opportunity to enter the market prior to its significant ascent. Indeed, it is not only exaggerated enthusiasm. When reputable figures within the society begin to express such sentiments, it indicates that significant developments are underway. If history were to repeat itself, Shiba Inu may go from a mere cryptocurrency to the most prominent news in the cryptosphere overnight. However, there is a crucial caveat. Following the extensive speculation and fervent forecasts, one expert provided a more pragmatic timescale for when Shiba Inu may realistically achieve those aspirational pricing levels. It is indeed prudent to pay attention, since while the journey may be more prolonged than anticipated, the outcome remains encouraging. Let us analyze it systematically. Although the requisite increases for Shiba Inu to attain price levels such as 0.0003 or even 0.04 cents are substantial, analysts maintain that these aims remain attainable. They only need time. Analysts at Changely predict that Shiba Inu may reach the 30S3 level by January 2033. That is around 8 years from today. In a bullish situation, they anticipate that Shiba Inu might potentially exceed that threshold by then. The primary objective, which would fundamentally alter the course of cryptocurrency history, is projected for April 20th, year 2040. According to their projections, Shiba Inu may reach 4 cents at that time. Does it seem distant? Certainly. However, it is important to note that in the cryptocurrency sector, a time frame of 8 to 15 years is still seen as early for a project with a long-term ambition. Telegen presents an even more hopeful perspective. They anticipate that Shiba Inu may reach the 0.003 threshold by 2028 and ultimately achieve the 0.04 aim by 2036. That is 11 years hence, which may seem like an eternity, unless one has a collection of coins that might provide transformative profits. Forbes reports that specialist Himanshu Maradia believes Shiba Inu may reach a price of 0.003 this year, contingent upon the developments in the marketplace and the Shiba Inu ecosystem. In another instance, ChatGPT participated in the forecast discourse, proposing that Shiba Inu may reach 4 cents between 2030 and 2032. For this to occur, Shiba Inu's overall supply must significantly decrease, a possibility that is undoubtedly tough in the near future. What is the significance of all this? This indicates that while the enthusiasm is genuine and the possibilities are substantial, achieving genuine success with Shiba Inu may not occur instantaneously. However, it does not diminish the excitement of the experience. Currently, with a significant increase in whale accumulation, developers making impactful announcements, and a resilient community, Shiba Inu is establishing a solid foundation. It is generating the kind of pace that long-term investors want to achieve. What is the present condition of Shiba Inu? It is more vibrant than ever. The declines have not compromised it. They have just enhanced its resilience. The foundation is solidifying, acceptance is increasing, the ecosystem is broadening, and the community present. In the long run, Shiba Inu seems promising. Currently, it is poised on the brink of something significant. Shiba Inu is poised to accomplish a significant feat that many did not anticipate. It is approaching Bitcoin Cash, a prominent and established entity in the cryptocurrency sector. The current disparity in market capitalization between the two exceeds $1 billion. While it may seem substantial, given the rapid pace of Shiba Inu's growth, it is rather insignificant. The market capitalization of Shiba Inu is around $7.3 billion, whilst Bitcoin Cash is at $10.3 billion. The gap is rapidly diminishing. What is the reason? Due to the recent momentum of Shiba Inu. In recent weeks, it has significantly surpassed Bitcoin Cash. Since July 10th, Shiba Inu has increased by almost 7%. Whilst Bitcoin Cash has only risen by around 7%. Throughout the month, Shiba Inu has outperformed Bitcoin Cash by around 32%, bolstered in part by a resurgence in the Ethereum ecosystem. Shiba Inu is significantly associated with this. Is it even more remarkable? Volume of transactions. Although Shiba Inu is priced at only a fraction of a penny, its 24-hour trading volume has lately surpassed $500 million. approaching the numerical figures of Bitcoin Cash. This demonstrates substantial interest, significant cash, and decisive action. Individuals are observing Shiba Inu and are participating actively. Major exchanges continue to exhibit robust support, and interest in the currency is resurging. It extends beyond whales. Everyday financiers, traders, and the whole community are uniting in support of the initiative. What is the current status of Shiba Inu? It is ignited. It is acquiring potency. It is being regarded with renewed seriousness. If this trend continues, we may see the next significant phase in its evolution, not only as a meme, but as a legitimate competitor in the cryptocurrency market. What is your perspective on this matter? Please leave a comment below. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it, and subscribe to the channel.